like it's stir fry. Whip it in the kitchen, wrist twisted like it's stir fry. Whip it in the kitchen, wrist twisted like it's stir fry. Whip it in the kitchen, wrist twisted like it's stir fry.
Hey everybody, how y'all doing today? Welcome to the Unique Brand Life channel. So today I will be cooking for you guys again. So today I'll be cooking a mini stir fry. This is something I made up, you feel me? I tried it before and it tasted really good. So I'm gonna show you guys my items. Okay, you guys, so what I got here, some carrots, minced garlic, an onion, some steamed broccoli, and I love to use this because it's easy and quick. And I also have sausage. Okay, and I use the 5-minute rice because it's quick too. So I got my 3 bags of rice. I also have my skillet here, and my water is boiling. So you guys, let's get with this video. Alright, so right now I'm going to turn on my skillet, and I'll be using vegetable oil as well. And it don't take much, you guys, it don't take much. Okay, turn it so you guys can see. Okay, so I'm gonna get my cutting board. Alright. I got my knife. Okay. So what I'm gonna start doing is I'm going to put my 3 bags of rice in the pot. Let them get where they going. Right, so I have my onion. Alright, and I've already pre-chopped it up. Right, so what I'm gonna do is cut it up. Alright, you guys, and I'm gonna toss this. Okay. Alrighty. So, here's my cut up onions. I'm gonna slide them in this pot. I'm in this bowl. Alright, and I'm gonna rinse this off. Alright. So, I have my onions. Alright. Alright, and I'm going to take my minced garlic. Small teaspoon of this. Maybe 2. Alright, so I'm done with that. Alright, now I'm going to cut up my carrots. And it don't take much, you guys. It don't take much carrots. I'm going to put this down more so you guys can see me. Alright. There you go. Y'all, these things be popping. Ooh. Y'all, they running for me. my carrots. I'll let you see. Okay, so I got my carrots, my onions, and my garlic. Alright, so right now I'm about to put this in the microwave for like maybe 4 minutes. Okay, let that heat up. Alright, so right now, about to get into this sausage, y'all. And y'all, I like to rinse my stuff off when I cook stuff in other bowls and stuff like that. I like to rinse my stuff off. It's just a sanitary thing. Y'all, I got my sausage. Okay, I'm just rinsing it off. I'm gonna actually switch eyes here. Alright, y'all, so I have my sausage. Alright. Push this down so you guys can see it. Okay. Alright. So here we go. I'm gonna slice it really fine. You don't want to do no big chunks. Move this over so you guys can see. Okay, so y'all see the sausage? This is about the size it should be. Alright. Hey you guys, so my broccoli is done. Alright. Y'all be careful with this stuff because it be hot. Alright, so what I am gonna do is slit this open. Okay. And pour this in. Okay. Oh y'all, it's looking so pretty. Look at all those beautiful colors. So pretty. Alright you guys, so what I'm gonna do is stir this all in together. Turn the heat up a little bit. Get everything sizzling. And I'll be right back with you guys. Hey you guys, I'm back. So, as you see, my stuff is cooking down. I am going to add a little bit of soy sauce just to give it a little color. Alright. Just a little bit, not much you guys. Right, and I'm also going to add some salt and pepper. And like I said, you guys, if you ain't got McCormick or Morton in your cabinet, you ain't thugging. So I'm just gonna sprinkle a little bit of pepper in here. Oh y'all, it's smelling so good. Right. Just a little bit of salt, just to give everything a taste. Because you know you already got salt in the soy sauce, so you don't want to overpower it. What I'm gonna do is give that a stir. I'm gonna turn this up just a little bit. Alright, you guys, my rice is done. So what I'm gonna do is turn this off and drain my rice. Hot. So what I'm gonna do is take my scissors, cut the top of the rice. Okay, so the top of my rice is cut. Oh, y'all, bless me, y'all. I ain't mean to go away from the video. So, y'all, I had to leave the camera and go sneeze for a minute. So, as I was saying, you know, I cut up my bag so I can easily dump out my rice. And I have 3 bags of rice. And y'all, I just like this better because it cooks faster, and the regular rice is good. Y'all excuse that, it's my dryer. The regular rice is good, but it takes too long to cook and it's very starchy. And see, with this, I don't have to worry about anything being starchy, or having to rewash and then, you know, and it's getting all stuck together. Nobody want to deal with all that when they're cooking. So right now, stirring everything up. So I'm gonna let y'all see it, and we're gonna wait for it to cook down. So stay tuned. So y'all, while I was waiting on this to finish, I also added an egg just to give it that stir fry look. Oh y'all, this is looking so good, y'all. So good. And y'all, this don't take long to cook. Say what, give yourself about maybe like an hour just to prep everything and cook everything. So right now I'm going to show y'all. This is how it's looking, y'all.
With the results of this meal. So, if you don't know, now you know that I cooked sausage, rice, broccoli, and carrots with some onions and some garlic with salt and pepper. Okay? I made a stir fry. Unicorn's way. So, you guys, here it is.
And right now, I'm about to do this taste test, boo. Get a little sausage. See that? So good. Stay tuned. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Bye.